Hello and welcome to another video. Today I will show you a district in Bangkok that is not so well known to tourists, Daeng. It's one of the not so wealthy areas in Bangkok, but I still somehow took it into my heart. I visited a housing complex built by the National Housing Authority in the 1950s, and I will tell you a little about its history. I was also able to take some interesting shots with my drone, and this gives you a different perspective of this area. These are the little stories in and around Bangkok that makes this city interesting to me. So let's go.
This condo blocks looks like early 70s build. This looks like a kind of area in my city, but not good state. But here's a 7-Eleven, and I will buy a water first, because I need some cool down. Hello. Hello. Oh, that's good. Here's a small place where I could start the drone. It's like a forgotten town. Like they built it in the 70s and then they just forgot it. They never repaint or repair this area. It's always not easy to find a place where you can put your rubbish. This looks like a good place for my drone. So I hope I have good connection here and it's allowed to fly the drone and I can start my drone. Look, this car. The best times are over for the car, I would say. What was it? If anyone know what Corolla? This is a Toyota Corolla. Cool. Go a little bit. Yeah, his best times are over. Really over. Another 7-Eleven, so I hope they have a trash bin. Hello.
Hello.
So let me look. community place here in the middle is a nice idea, even if the best times are over for them. I think I'll try this place here. Also tennis, or this with this ball. This bank looks new and pleasant for me. So let me take a place.
To be able to fly a drone in Thailand, you need these documents: a drone insurance in English, the NBTC registration and the CAAT registration. You should have these documents with you on all drone flights. These pictures with the steps maybe help you to understand what you must do. These are the documents you need. The whole topic is a bit more complex, but after being rejected because I had the wrong number on my insurance certificate, I got my approval after about 7 days. The good thing is the registration is then valid for 2 years. Daeng. Its name literally means red earth and comes from a dirt road of the same name that was built in the government in the 1940s. Locals soon began using the term Daeng to refer to the area. The Daeng flat housing project built in the 1950s over a huge old slum, into which many people from the slum then moved. Daeng flat has long been a well-known low-income housing facility operated by the National Housing Authority (NHA). In 2015, residents of the Daeng housing estate demonstrated against the demolition of an apartment block. The protest came after the government decided to demolish the apartments and replace them with a new 25-story building, each with a floor area of 33 square meters. The residents said there was no need to build a new complex as the structure of the apartment block was still in good condition. The new rental price of the new building should be between 1 and 3,000 baht, which is considered expensive with a daily wage of around 300 baht. One of the residents' biggest complaints was that the new apartments were too small, as entire families of up to 8 people currently live in one household. To be honest, I imagine it would be quite difficult to live with 8 people in 33 square meters. What do you think? According to the plan, the new residential buildings will offer 20,000 rooms, including 6,000 for existing tenants. But after so many years of planning, there appears to be only one complex construction currently underway. I haven't seen any other new construction projects in this area. For me, this neighborhood has a special charm. In this area you can see the reality of Bangkok. Not many foreigners come here, but if you are interested in a different Bangkok, then you should take a detour to Daeng.
Now we have a mild wind. It's good for cooling down. This building over there looks like they are built some years later. They are still in a better state than this one. But what I can say from what I see today, this area is still peaceful. The people here are still friendly. No one is grumpy. They greet me. They ask what I'm doing. They want to see my drone. So, to be honest, I have no clue where I want to go. Let me check here. So the back side of the houses. Repair things. Ugh, this ground bumps makes me crazy. I always run into them. This This looks interesting. Is this telephone, electricity, or what it is? So I checked my best friend, Mr. Google, and I must go there. And then I will follow this way and then right. And here we go. This building 1-5, there are two buildings. They look interesting. This is the G Tower, this one, but these two in the background, they look really interesting. I nearly saw an accident. No breath. So this street I want to go, and then there is a bigger street to the right, and I will follow this street. My final goal is Central Rama 9 Mall again. There I want to drink a coffee or iced tea or something like this. $39 baht a burger, 49 baht pad kakao. It seems all cost 49. Not bad. So here I must go right, the next one. Oh, interesting street. You can buy rice in big packages. Wow, big package 110. This is cheap. Accident. Again, a small side street. It's a little bit like the area behind Fortune Town, Rama 9. This is also in Daeng like this. So they have here everywhere the same style. Smell of cinnamon. Oh, they're laughing, and they're laughing. Hello. Selfies everywhere. Youngest motorbike driver I've ever seen. There's my building again. You can see it in the far. Look, the cables. Oh. Come on. Hello. They're making bags. Oh. So, let me say like this. If you are a single man or a single woman or couple who like sometimes unusual adventures, it's not really an adventure, but it's kind of, then do like what I do. Just look in Google Maps, zoom around, and if you see some interesting point, just go there. You can use Street View already for seeing the area. So if it looks interesting for you, then just go there. This is a lot of fun. You see a complete different Thailand to the touristy points, to the malls, to the bars and bar girls and boys, whatever you want there. This is really cool. This is what I love.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.